How to view NFT in SafePal Wallet. Are you guys facing issues to view NFT on a SafePal Wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your NFT on SafePal Wallet, open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Once you open the SafePal app, tap on NFT tab at the bottom of the home screen. SafePal will automatically scan your wallet and display any NFTs stored in it. If you don't see your NFT, tap the refresh icon or select Add NFT manually. Choose the correct blockchain like Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain and paste your wallet screen. SafePal will search for NFTs linked to that address and show them in your collection. Make sure the NFT is in a wallet you have added and is supported by SafePal. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna view NFT on SafePal Wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.